first day of summer, and look at that beautiful sun. So we're going to be trying to mill up some cribbing for over there because I want to have some log storage. I think I'm going to do one more pass on this this log right here. So I already have it milled flat at the bottom, and it looks like I could do a little bit more on this. I'm trying not to take too much out because I don't got too much width on this end, and I want to keep it full size. I'm still learning about tree species, so I'm not too sure what this is. I guess you could tell me in the comments. I think it's a poplar. Still trying to figure that stuff out. This is a long journey of different skills and learning curves. On this end, it's a little bit more wide, so I don't want to take too much off. I think I could do one more pass and open it up down there more. I saw this little tip on a video that I was watching for Woodmizer Mills, and some guy, he had a bucket hanging here right underneath this chute. This is where the sawdust comes out from the blade. So I thought, hey, that's a great idea. That way I'm not getting so much. I mean, there is still a little bit of sawdust, but it's catching a good portion of it in here. And that way when that bucket gets filled, I can just go ahead, dump it off the side here, and it's staying out of my way for walking. And I kind of want to use that for landscaping in the future, or doing whatever, I guess just mulch. But these brackets, they weren't initially here. It was just the chute. These were shipping brackets that were just going to be kind of waste. And it just so happened to have the same hole in the bolt pattern, or the bolts. The bolt holes for the chute, so I went ahead and put it on there as a lip to hang the bucket. Nice little tip. If you plan on getting a Woodmizer, I guess LT15 start in the future, go ahead and use those shipping brackets. check if it's square. Perfect. Let's check down here. Perfect. Let's make the cut. Get this little slab off here. A little bit of firewood right here. Let's see how wide this is. At this end, 6 3/4 or so, or less than 6 3/4. Looks like we could probably get the most. See, there's that edge right there. I could probably say 6 inches on that. Yeah, probably 6 inches. So I could probably get a, I guess all in all, just a 6x6 out of this. 6x6, but let's see how long. By 10. Maybe instead of cribbing, I'll use this for the future project that I plan on doing, and I'll announce that at some point soon. Let's go ahead and do that. Dang, sawmilling with that sunset. This is a great beginning of the summer. Can't wait for more. Check out this cut. Oh, this is some nice lumber right here. This is the piece I just cut off. It's got a really nice color to it. This is a beautiful piece. I think I overfilled my bucket. Now it's all over the ground. See, if I didn't have that bucket, well, if I didn't have it full, it wouldn't be all over the ground. But all of that would be here, and I'd be stepping in it. I want to keep my slab clean. But as far as the last cut goes, there's still a little bit of, I guess, wane still on there. But that's fine for what I'm going to do with this project. I was able to get a, I guess it's a 6x7 out of this. A little narrow in the middle. I need to coat this end. I have some anchor seal on the way right now. So as soon as I can get that, I'm going to coat the ends to prevent it from checking. But it's all square. It's 10 foot long, a little over 10 foot long. It's good for what I'm going to do. I'll probably announce the project that I'm going to be kind of focusing on. It's going to be a fun project. It's going to get me into, I guess, timber framing. I'm going to do some mortise and tenon. I'll probably announce that within the next couple videos. So stay tuned for that. Well, with that beautiful sunset, I think it's going to wrap up tonight's sawmilling. We got that beam. I have been doing a little bit of practicing on the, not on video. I got some cedar 4x and I guess some 4x8s or so down there that I'm going to use in a future project that I want to do. I want to build an extension off of a deck, so that's what I'm going to do on that. Yeah, I'm excited. As the beginning, the first day of summer, and it's just beautiful weather. I heard we're gonna have some hot weather coming up here, so that's more sawmilling. I just gotta find the logs. I'm hoping to get this cribbing done so I can store some logs right there so I can just roll it off and use what I need. I think I might buy some logs, just kind of a truck full. If you guys know what the price of Doug fir logs are right now, let me know down in the comments below. But that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Hope you guys see you in the next video. Well, I hope to see you in the next video. Hit the like button to let me know that you do want to see more of this. I'm excited for it, and it's for the journey. So if you do want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. I'm gonna try to do every Thursday, but I might hit a Thursday here and there due to really busy life. But as soon as I can get out here and get on the sawmill and get cutting, I'll post a video for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.